Okay, I'm recording I hooked up a Supersonic 100 head to that speaker here. That is my combo, of course, but I plug it onto the speaker on the back. It's a single selection speaker, and I'm testing the tubes. It's a new speaker to me. I just find it to be a little bit noisy. And now I was cleaning up. One thing that I found that the RCA cable that goes in here to the reverb tank, it was brittle. So as soon as I tug on it a little bit, it broke inside. So I took it off the parts, and they're gonna have to replace that. That may be a problem. I see some guys doing amp repair on YouTube, and they showed to be a bad cable connection on the reverb. The reason of some noise. But I found that right now I don't have a reverb. Just let me turn off this one so I don't have too many lights going on. So now, I don't know if you guys can see, I have these tubes. They are all lit, and they are all the same. They are GT ECC 83 like a S on the end. So GT ECC 83 S. But I have two GT 1287. There's one here and one here that are not lit. Oh, that is a little bit, so it's a different tube. Oh, okay. I don't have a guitar on it. Let me plug the guitar. Now the volume, the gain is at 3. This is the clean channel, and the master volume is at noon, 12 o'clock. That sounds good. This is the basement mode. Man, this amp sounds good, except for the just a little bit of noise. This is the gain I'd have. It's okay. It's not bad. I don't see a lot of light inside, but I don't hear any noise. Those are GT groove tubes. I believe to be the stock that came with the amp. Well, it's a 100 watts head, and right now I have it plugged into a Stratocaster single coil. It's on both of this is only one single coil. This is two, only one. Okay, I was wondering if this one is supposed to be like this. I see a little bit of a red inside, but it's not as much as the other ones. But just now I figured it out that they are different, so maybe they're supposed to be like that. Okay. I've been hearing that this amp is a little bit noisy. Maybe it's the way of the beast. Just how it is.